There are several periods when injuries are much more common. Probably when you first start running is the most common time that we see injuries, in that first few months when you're just getting into running, and especially if you've never ran before or if it's been many years since you have ran. That is a particularly troublesome time for injuries, especially the overuse kind of injuries. And in a similar vein, when you're getting back to running, let's say you've taken a few months off from an injury and you're just getting back, it's a very similar period. You're high risk for injury at that time. And then if you're trying to increase your pace or your distance, especially if you try to go too quickly, that's when we see the most injuries. The most common things that I see in runners are things like shin splints, and there's several different causes for that, but it's usually pain in the front of the shin, usually from running too much. And so a lot of times rest is the most important thing for that. IT band syndrome is probably another one of the most common things we see this time of year with people training for races. And that can be caused from training or running on uneven ground, shoe wear. Lots of things can cause that. The treatment, again, is usually rest and a lot of stretching exercises for that one. So those are the most common, but there are very many things that we see, some more serious than others, but most are very treatable.